You can also apply filters to narrow down your list. Let me show you how you can actually find contacts who haven't been contacted this month. Go to the Filter tab and then click Last Activity Date. This is just an example, but you can see how easy it is to play around with the filters so you can segment your data and really easily find either the prospects or clients that you're searching for. That's all for today's video, guys. You have taken the first step to becoming a HubSpot Pro, but this is just the start of your journey. If you really want to master contact database management with HubSpot, make sure to check out our blog. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also drop us any questions you have in the comments below. Now, if you feel like you're not seeing the ROI that you were promised from HubSpot, but you honestly just don't have the time to figure everything out, book a free consultation with us now. What we'll do, we're going to review your current setup and then share with you exactly how we've helped other companies like yours to audit, clean up, and then optimize HubSpot. Grab your free consultation using the link in the description now.